Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the three trades of the day on Tesla. That's right. You started out early this morning on Tesla, TSLA. Here we are on a 1 minute chart, and the market just opened here, right here, and it was going up, and then it started to high base right here. The markets were finally starting to roll up. Initially, they were crashing down, but they were rolling up. So we had support here. Set a trade. This is called a high base. Set my trade. Let the market come to me, and here we go. What happened next? I am in at $260.72. I'm long on Tesla, TSLA. So let's see what happens for a little bit. Just kind of rest here for a while. So I'm going to manage my stop. I had a 1% attached stop here, and I'm going to pull it up here to just under my entry area here. I'm going to stay below this 261 area here, 261 area, because it's using that as support for its high base. And so I'm going to reduce my risk in the trade, and I'm going to bring it up here just under break even for right now. And let's see what happened after that. Oh, there it popped out again, went running up, and now I'm going to go ahead and bring my stop in the money here, and I'm following that 8 EMA here, and so I'm right here. I'm under the 8 EMA, and here we go. Bam! Look at that. Pulled down here, right here, and stopped me out here at 264.36 for 1.4% in 16 minutes. All right, that was not a bad trade, and it took a little bit of patience over 16 minutes. And let's fast forward an hour or so. Now we moved forward about an hour, and it's now in about 11:15 Eastern time on the markets, and he's doing a bull pullback here. So it had been kind of creeping up here, and the markets had been booming up, and now it's doing a bull pullback. So I set a trade at end, let the market come to me. Let's see what happened. I got ticked in here at 266.73. I'm now long again on Tesla. Again, I 1% attached stop at 264.06. It's 1% automatically set as get into the trade. So let's see what happened. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my goodness, look at it go. So see what happened? It is moving on up. So I've been managing my stop here over this last few minutes, been following this 8 EMA up, and now it's starting to base up here. So I'm going to just stay here under the 172.50 and a possible support area. And then it's starting to pull back here and then beginning to roll up slightly. So I'm going to set another trade because where's my stop? It's in the money, which means I have zero risk left in the trade. I can take on a whole other lot size with the same win and not be maxed out on my risk. And sure enough, I'm going to set the trade and boom, I'm in for an additional lot at 275.67. I'm now long a second lot size at the same time here with a 1% attached stop. And then let's see what happened after that. Oh, it's starting to move up, moving up. It kind of tops out up here. And so I'm going to be combining now that I'm going to bring my stop up here, and it's now in the money on the second lot, keeping my stop just below this pivot line here. It's now in the money for the second lot. So I'm going to combine this into one stop now for both trades. And now I'm in the money on both sets of my with both lots. And it's moving up here, so I'm going to start moving up on this 8 EMA, bring it up here just under 178, just under 178. If it pulls back, it could possibly hit that area. And let's see what happened after that. Fast forward a little bit here, and sure enough, look at this, pull back and then dropped right here, got me out here at both lots for a 277.96. I am now stopped out of both. Between these three trades, I was up 1.4% on the first trade. I was up 4.2 on the second trade. And then on the add-on trade, there was a 0.8. So there was a total of 6.4%. Now, if you're trading in the Grok day trading chat room with us, we have a model portfolio, which we suggest that you build up to over time, is to buy $10,000 of a stock worth each time and have a 1% attached stop. That means you'll have $100 at risk per trade. But on the other hand, for every 1% you make, then that would be $100. So if you were trading that model portfolio, that would have been for about $640 just on those three trades today. Here's the results from the Grok day trading chat room. And from today, we always set up at about 9 o'clock Eastern time. And, where the broad market's doing right now, world markets for that matter. And then any announcements. Of course, today's the Tariff Liberation Day. So there are going to be those big announcements after the market closes. And then here are the trades from our Grok graduates in that room today that were posted. Mine are highlighted here in the yellow, but these are the other ones here. So as a room, we were up to over 10% today and only had one expense trade today. Greg had one at minus 0.4, which gave us fabulous statistics for the day. 88.9% success rate, 3.4 actual reward risk ratio or profit factor, which means on average, we made $3.44 for every dollar of average of an expense trade. Those are incredible results. Again, it's not an ordinary day for us, but a pretty extraordinary day. But making 10%, again, as a room then, if we're trading the model portfolio, that would have been about around $1,000 we would have put in our pockets. So if you would like to join us in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room, go to groktrade.com, groktrade.com. And right here on the main page, just tilt it here a little bit, right there, go to Day Trading Chat Room right there. It's a Grok graduate, meaning those who have gone through our mentoring program are in this room helping each other out. You can join us for free. Doesn't cost anything. You just need to be in front of the markets between about 9 o'clock Eastern time, and we usually finish about 10:30 or so Eastern time. So we're just trading about the first hour of the market. And again, people, it's an interactive one. I'm in there coaching people, and there are other people in there seeing what they're spotting out and everything on the market. So again, you can just sign up right here for free, and you can join us. Again, it's a safe zone to come in and learn a little bit about what trading is all about. Mark the Meerkat here. Hey, just remember, Meerkat trading rule number 10. It's not the news that counts. It's the market's reaction to the news that counts. Trade well, and may your winners